Ever wondered how plants manage to survive and thrive using nothing but sunlight? Welcome to today's deep dive into photosynthesis, the process that fuels life on Earth. In this video, we'll break down each step in detail, explore why it's essential, and understand how it supports life across the planet. Let's jump in. Photosynthesis is a fundamental biological process that allows plants, algae, and certain bacteria to convert sunlight into chemical energy. This process is essential for life on Earth, as it produces oxygen and serves as the primary source of energy for nearly all living organisms. Through a series of intricate chemical reactions occurring in specialized cellular structures known as chloroplasts, photosynthesis enables plants to synthesize glucose, a simple sugar that fuels their growth and development. The process of photosynthesis can be divided into two primary stages: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. Each of these stages plays a crucial role in transforming light energy into usable chemical energy. The first stage of photosynthesis occurs in the thylakoid membranes within the chloroplasts. When sunlight strikes the pigment chlorophyll, the energy excites electrons, raising them to a higher energy state. These excited electrons are transferred through the electron transport chain, a series of proteins embedded in the thylakoid membrane. During this transfer, the electrons lose energy, which is used to pump hydrogen ions into the thylakoid lumen, creating a concentration gradient. To replace the lost electrons, water molecules are split into hydrogen ions, electrons, and oxygen. The oxygen is released as a byproduct into the atmosphere, a process that contributes to the breathable air essential for animal life. Meanwhile, the hydrogen ions accumulate within the thylakoid lumen, eventually passing through ATP synthase, an enzyme responsible for generating adenosine triphosphate, ATP. ATP serves as an energy carrier alongside nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, NADPH, which is produced through the reduction of NADP+ using electrons from the electron transport chain. Both ATP and NADPH are crucial for the next phase of photosynthesis. The second stage of photosynthesis, the Calvin cycle, occurs in the stroma of the chloroplasts. This process does not require direct sunlight, but instead relies on ATP and NADPH generated during the light-dependent reactions. The Calvin cycle begins with the fixation of atmospheric carbon dioxide, which is captured by an enzyme called rubisco. This enzyme attaches carbon dioxide to a 5-carbon molecule called ribulose bisphosphate, RuBP, forming an unstable 6-carbon compound that immediately splits into 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceride, 3-PGA. Through a series of enzyme-mediated transformations, the 3-PGA molecules are phosphorylated using ATP and reduced by NADPH to produce glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, G3P, a simple sugar precursor. Some of the G3P molecules leave the cycle to synthesize glucose and other carbohydrates, while the remaining molecules are recycled to regenerate RuBP, enabling the cycle to continue. The energy stored in glucose molecules is later used by plants for growth, repair, and other vital functions. Photosynthesis is one of the most crucial processes sustaining life on Earth. It serves multiple functions, including oxygen production, food generation, and climate regulation. Without photosynthesis, atmospheric oxygen levels would decline, making life impossible for oxygen-dependent organisms. Additionally, photosynthesis forms the foundation of food chains, supplying energy to herbivores, which in turn support carnivores and omnivores. Beyond its biological significance, photosynthesis plays a vital role in maintaining environmental balance. As plants absorb carbon dioxide during the Calvin cycle, they help mitigate the effects of greenhouse gases and slow climate change. This ability to regulate atmospheric carbon makes forests and other vegetative ecosystems essential for climate stability. Additionally, agriculture relies on photosynthesis to produce crops, ensuring food security and economic stability. And that's photosynthesis, the incredible process that keeps our planet alive. From capturing sunlight to producing oxygen and food, plants play a crucial role in sustaining ecosystems and regulating our climate. Next time you take a deep breath or enjoy a meal, remember, it's all thanks to photosynthesis. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more science breakdowns, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious.